Hey, good morning, everyone. Welcome to Midwest Market Solutions. This is our early market grain and livestock commentaries, our market insider comments on Thursday, September the 28th. It's the day before the quarterly stocks and small grains report. Want to mention here this morning, first of all, I am out on the road doing branch office audits this week, so I'm in our Thief River Falls location a little bit later this morning, but I'm at the hotel here this morning, and some information to pass along. There was a private export sale announcements: 132,000 beans to an unknown destination, 234,000 metric tons of corn sold to that same unknown destination. We had a huge week of soybean sales, 114,000 metric tons of sales being reported for soybeans. We expected this week would be a huge weekly number, so not a real surprise, but that is a really big number. Corn was probably the more disappointing, well, obviously more disappointing, but more of a surprise that it was so weak. 12.6 million bushels, wheat 16 million. So those are some real disappointing type numbers here. As we look at the trade today, I think it's going to be a kind of a buy the rumor, sell the facts sort of trade in the wheat. I do expect that we're going to see a little strength going into the stocks and small grains report. And this is the report that trade is expecting the USDA to finally show some abandonment of spring wheat acres. But we're rallying into the report, kind of building in a premium. And as I said, it could be a little bit of a buy the rumor, sell the facts sort of trade. Quarterly stocks should be huge for corn and for soybeans. They're going to limit upside potential. But once we get past that report, we're going to focus on yields, which are actually coming in better than I think early expectations were for most of the trade. And as we look at these yield numbers, along with strong exports, should put a floor in these markets, but it's going to take a long time to chew through these big supplies that we are harvesting and that we are faced with old crop supplies here for corn and for soybeans. In the livestock trade, cutout values were lower. We're having big kills, and that's going to weigh on the cutouts just like it did in the hogs. The packers are not raising their bids after Tuesday. They came out Tuesday because the futures were cheap, not because they were real aggressive, and we're starting to see a little bit of weakness in the futures as a result. I think you do find some trade today where you want to trade higher, may try and fill some gaps, but probably going to end up being selling opportunities once again. Hope you have a great day. Good luck, good trading, and I'll be back in the office tomorrow morning. So contact any of our offices if you have any questions. They'd be glad to speak with you. Good luck, good trading today. This has been Brian Hoops.